All right, thank you.
In- in-
Congressman Risa,
insertions is not illegal per se. It's a regular thing in Congress. I've been here for 13 years. Okay naman yan. Kaya lang po dito sa 3 taon na nakaraan, yung insertions po parang napakalaki. 1 trillion mahigit yung nabago, nadagdag, na-divert. Kaya po kaya lumutang itong ganitong kalaking problema para pong greed gone wild. So, palagay ko po, dapat talaga nating imbestigahan itong bagay na ito. If we would really want to be credible, this investigation to be credible to the people, palagay ko, dapat wala tayong santuhin. Gaya ng sinabi ng chairman, whether senador, whether congressman, DPWH, pag nakikita ko si Engineer Alcantara, medyo umiinit talaga ulo ko eh. Salamat po.